Floating tabletop to squat. This is quite a difficult movement, but there are ways to break it down, and we are able just to gently jump into the squat if we don't have that strength at all to begin. The setup is the most important thing, as with all these movements that we're doing. We're coming into that quadruped position, or hands under shoulders, knees under hips. We're going to push into the floor and notice my spine, my upper spine, my shoulders start to round. That's the strength there in the arms and the shoulders. And I tuck and squeeze my butt. So as I squeeze my butt, my tail tucks under. So notice my tail sticking out, squeeze my butt, tuck it under. Toes are tucked, and I'm going to float the knees, lifting the knees up. The trick here then is the shoulders we're going to tilt forward. As my shoulders come forward, I start to take the balance there and slide my toes forward. Eventually, some of you will be able to hop the feet forward into the squat. If you need to take it slower, obviously do what you can. Always make sure the neck is relaxed, especially as you come forward. So setting up again, hands under shoulders, knees under hips, push down to around the back, squeeze the butt under. Notice my neck, I don't want to be cranking it back. Just even move a little bit just to soften and relax there. Toes are tucked, lift the knees, pushing down actively, curling the upper back. Take my shoulders forward to redistribute the weight, and then eventually I might be able to slide my feet. Some of you will be able to even get the feet off the floor and hop up. Obviously make sure you don't hurt your toes as they slide forward. Then you can even try and move into another one further along. This does require a lot of strength. So even at the beginning, setting up, pushing down, squeezing the butt, tucking the tail, lift the knees, even just leaning forward there, taking the strength may be enough. And then if you can, step the feet one at a time, or maybe you can gently hop. Be mindful of the wrists as well. They do take a lot of our body's weight in doing this one. And enjoy floating table to squat.